Hello everyone. Here in this video we are going to take a geometry problem. We have one square as you can see here and the side of the square is 8 units. Now we have two circles as you see inside this square. We also have a diagonal. Based on everything that we see here, we are going to find the ratio between the yellow area and the green area. Before moving forward to talk about the solution, make sure that you pause the video to think about this problem, and we will see you in about 15 seconds. To solve this problem, we are going to focus on two parts. The first part is going to be the green area here. This green area is going to be the part of the green square that I highlighted here. Now the question is how we are going to find the side of this square. To do that, let's start with working the red diagonal that we have here. Now let's say that we know the radius of each of these circles is basically r. Then the diagonal that we have here in red is going to be 2 times r plus 2 times the diagonal that we have for a small square. The side of the square is r2, so the diagonal of this square is going to be a square root of 2 times r. Overall, we're going to have 2 times r plus 2 square root of 2 times r. And we know that since the side of the big square is 8, its diagonal is going to be 8 times square root of 2. Now 8 times square root of 2 equals to 2 plus 2 square root of 2 times r, and r is going to be 4 times square root of 2 over 1 plus square root of 2, or 2.34. Give or take, this is a good approximation. Now that we have r, we can find the area that we have for this green region. It's going to be the area of the small square, or r squared, minus the area that we have for the sector that you see here in pink. The area of the sector is going to be 1 over 4 pi r squared. Now if you put everything here, you're going to find the area of the green is 1.17. Now we are going to focus to find the area that we have here in yellow. To do that, I'm going to focus on the area that highlighted in light blue. It has two parts. Let's focus on one of them. It's going to be a right triangle. One of the sides is r and the other side is 8 minus r. So the area of this right triangle is going to be 8 minus r times r over 2, and then you multiply that by 2 to find the whole area. The next part is going to find the area that we have here in pink. It's a sector, and its area can be calculated by dividing the angle that we have for this sector by 360 times the area that we have for the whole circle. The area of the whole circle is going to be pi r squared. Now let's focus on the area that we have for this pink sector. The angle that we are looking for is basically 180 degrees minus 45. Since 45 is basically the angle that we have for the diagonal of this small square. Now that we have everything, we can just replace the value that we have for r, and finally we get the yellow area as 6.79. Finally, the ratio between yellow and green is going to be 6.79 over 1.17, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzles, math-involved activities, and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to this channel. This is the SQRT channel. Hope to see you in the next video.